Hi guys and welcome to today's intraday trade analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Zydus Life. So I'll be showing you where I took the entry, exit and everything and what was my buy level according to my unique strategy and what was the sell level to my unique strategy. So I'll be showing you all this level analysis video which I'll be showing you in a very brief way and a simple way. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding today's trade. And not only that, we'll be talking quickly about Nifty 50 analysis for the day, how it has performed and how the market opened today and indices analysis as well. Okay. And before that, if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And also the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to get personal live market support as well. Okay. So guys, by being said that, I'll talk about today's trade, what I have done today. So today we have traded on Zydus Life. Okay. So according to my study and the strategy, 991 above this level was a buy level and 978 below this is a sell level. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the stock has performed in both the way and the target has it in the both the way. But by following my discipline, I have taken only one trade on the sell side around 978, and as you guys can see, today's low made is 971.70, so more than 0.5% target is achieved here. Okay, so I booked my target up to 4 or 5 points and I've exited my trade. And you can see here I have traded without any indicators. Okay, so if you want to learn the stock selection process and marking the range process, you can join my course today. So in my course, I'll teach you all these things about stock selection and how you can make proper entries and exit like this. Okay, and also you can see the high made for the day is 1007.25. So the buy level was around 991 somewhere around there, and almost you can see it has gone up today, and even on the upper side the stock has gone up, and today it is almost closing around 2.60% up, as you guys can see here. So this is how the Zydus Life has been performed for the day. Okay, and also coming to Nifty 50. So today Nifty 50 opened at minus 0.32% down, which was a bit of a downer side, like 71 points down. And also, if we see how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day, it has been in a good range for the day. Yes, opening was a bit lower, and you can see it has taken a good support here for the day, and around this level, around 22185 is a good support level where it has taken for the day. From here, the market has gone up. Okay, so it has gone up till almost 22368, and from there it has come back down again at the closing of the day. It made this as a resistance level, it has come down, and again it has taken some key support level here, and the market is almost closing around not even a plus or not even a minus, just 0.02% up for the day. So this is how the market has performed for the day. If you guys can see, overall market was has performed today in both sell side and on the buy side as well. Okay, so however the market will perform, so we will be making an accurate trades and we will get the entry according to the market trend. And also if we quickly see how the indices has been performed, we can see here Nifty Bank has gone down today minus 0.53% down. Nifty Auto has gone up today 1.53% up. Nifty Financial Service down by 0.51%, and Nifty Financial 2550 is also down by minus 0.20%. And you can see there's not much of a performance in a lot of indices here. The Nifty oil and gas has gone up by 1.66% up today. So that is the most gaining indices for the day. And the next one will be like Nifty auto. Okay. And the most declining indices I can see here that I think Nifty private bank is the most declining indices for the day. So this are how the main sectoral indices have been performed for the day. And also I can tell that the market was a bit of a range bound session today, not in a higher side also, not on a lower side also. So that's why a lot of stocks have performed both in a buy side also and in a sell side also. Okay, so yes, this is a quick analysis of today's trade and today's market. So if you guys want to learn more about intraday trading and want to get my personal support, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.